My name is Sonia Powell Davis. We are in Woodbridge, Virginia. We had been in this house since 2007, and it was time for a change. Over time, the tub was it was too large, so it took up too much space in the bathroom. The bathroom colors were dark. The bathroom seemed really dark and dated. It was no longer functioning for us, for my husband and I. So we found BullRun through research. My husband researched the top-rated kitchen and bath companies in the area, and BullRun was on that list. So with that, we chose BullRun. Number one was that BullRun came up top-rated. That was number one. But then when we went to the design room and spoke with Matt, and we told him what we were looking for, bouncing off ideas off of one another, we knew that he was the one we wanted to go with. So it was a combination of the top-rated company and Matt. He walked us through the showroom, and as he's picking out, showing us some of the cabinetry, when my husband and I saw the cabinets, we automatically knew that that was the color. Then when we started going over to the tiles, when Matt started showing us the tiles, the fact that my husband and I both agreed on everything, we knew this was the direction we were going in. The construction process is about as clean as construction could be. Richard, one of the workers, Richard, who we saw most of the time, they laid out tarp on the floors to make sure nothing got dirty. They kept everything contained. So we were very, very pleased with the way they kept our house during the construction time. We were very, very impressed. Overall, I am extremely happy. It brings a huge smile to my face when I talk about how happy I am. Matt and the team have been amazing. This has been an amazing process. I'm so happy, and I would absolutely, positively recommend BullRun Kitchen and Bath to all of my friends, to my neighbors, and I also intend to do more work with BullRun in getting a couple of more bathrooms renovated.